So, we've got some positions here. It will give you, tell me, 1. This one? 2. 2. This one? 4. 8. 16. 32. Okay, is that right?
Yeah.
Just let me give you one little tip. Consider this part. 1 and 2 will be 3. It's 1 digit, before 4.
Yeah.
So it will be 7, 1 digit before 8. It will be 15, 1 digit before 16, 1 algorithm. And the rest. So it means that if all of them will be 1, the whole thing would be 127. So you don't need to calculate the things, but this is just one trick, so you can use it. So if I want to have 63, I should give them all 1 and use 0, because the whole thing will be 63, then plus 1 will be 64. So that's, that. Okay? So, if you want to generate number 1, you just need to put 1 here and the rest will 0. If you want to say 10, 8 will be 1, and 2 will be 1, and the rest will be 0. That's simple. If you think that you've got any problem with this part, just let me know. In here, we've got 245. You just write it in the lines, and then you should add them. 128 plus 64 will be 1, so plus 64 plus 32, and the rest will give you 245. That's simple. Do we really need to stay here more?
No.
Simple. And that's the way it can be calculated. So that's fine, use both. You know how to use that part, right? You just check them whether it's greater than 128, then you go to rest.
I think we can skip this one.
Yeah, if you think that you know all of them, you can skip.
Yeah, we can skip it.
Skip the building, or skip the space. You don't have any problem in this part, right?
No.
So, and that's the thing. It's the same thing, so we don't even need to stay there. We've got 3 items. First of all, we've got network address. What is network address? Network, as I said last session, if you've got 192.168.0 anything with the subnet of 255.255.255.0, it means that the first 3 parts will be our network address, and this is our host part. It means that you can see any computers with this part, and this could be anything from 0 to 255. So that's the thing that you can see in your network. Okay, is it clear for everyone? Yeah. So that's the meaning of the network. If you know that part, which means that the network address is you have to calculate the network address. It's not always like this. It depends on the subnet. So it would be the network address, and the last one will be the host figure. We've got a network address, we've got a broadcast, and we've got a host address. So this is the host address, one of them, from 0 to 255. We've got 200 items, the beginning of the network and the end of the network. We call the beginning of the network address. We call the end of that site that you're going to talk as a network address. Okay? Imagine that you are going to use a rope or I don't know, this pen. You can use any parts of the pen except the first beginning and the first end, because you have to hold it in your hand, so you can't use it because it's in your hand and the other side. So imagine that this is the road, so you can't use the whole road. You have to, I don't know, tie it somewhere and tie the other one somewhere, so the middle of that road is usable for you. It's the same in the network. It's really the same in the network. It's really like this. You can't use the first item and you can use the last item as a user, but there are lots of things that we are going to do with these two items. So it's not waste really. So you're going to use it, but not assigning. You're not going to assign that part to the computer. Okay? Can I go? Okay. Oh. So that's the thing, right?
No.
Yes.
No, it's the one before.
No, we don't have that part. So, you've got a given address. You've got a given address and a prefix. It's a short form of showing the IP and the subnet. With this information, we've got anything that we want. So that would be enough. I don't need to write 255, 255 and something. What is that 30? 4. Is it 4?
It's the network. It's the amount of
Binary is the next.
no. The amount of
Amount of?
I'm losing the terminology. Bytes.
No.
No.
1.
One.
Yes. That's 1. If you've got, as I said, we've got 32 bits for each address. So when we see the prefix will be 30, it means the first 30 from the left side is 1. It means that we've got 2 others for 0.
2 zeros. Okay.
Is that right?
So, repeat that.
The IP address will be